AllCoastLawncare.
I was gonna go mow a lady's lawn and I got a flat. I realized I had a flat. Check it out. Hey, look, I got a flat. It's flat, y'all. This thing was stuck in there. This rod. All right, so I'm gonna have to push mow the whole thing. All right, so I came home to my wife, hey babe, you got that little the little flat tire repair kit, you know, the little thing you punch a hole, you put like a little tube in there. And she goes, oh yeah, we do. What happened? The tire had a flat. Oh, let me do it. So okay, so I let her do it. I shot like a little video like how to repair a flat tire. All right, and so this is it right here. All right, y'all, just got done mowing. Just got done mowing that yard earlier. I got a flat, so luckily I had a reason to take my push mower because they had like a little small fence though. But I ended up push mowing the whole front yard and backyard, so because I couldn't use the riding mower, the zero turn. But I have Anna over here, the owner of the company, All Coast Lawn Care. She's gonna go and patch it.
Go ahead and shove it through there.
So hey Anna, what do we do first? What do we do first? Because this is a how-to channel. We guys, there's somebody over like trying to like learn how to fix a flat on the zero turn.
Well, technically you're not supposed to plug sidewalls. We're just doing this until we can get to the tire shop so it's not sitting on the rim like that. So just push it through and clean it, like ream it out.
So this is a temporary fix?
Very temporary.
Okay, so, all right, got it. All right, you got that? Well, that sucks. All right, so temporary fix shop. But you know what? This will, can I mow tomorrow with this? I have 5 yards to mow.
I wouldn't recommend it.
All right.
I'll twist it, like, there you go.
Pull out?
Yeah. It's supposed to be in the center, okay? Oh my goodness. Shove it in there.
Here, hold that. So not recommended.
Not recommended. Not recommended.
Got it. All right. Hey, y'all, not recommended, but I'm going to do it anyway, see what happens. A flat on the sidewall of a tire, it's not recommended to use, okay? It's recommended for a temporary fix and go get a new tire okay? It's not recommended to use, but we're like, you know what? Let's try it anyway, okay? So, check it out, y'all. So I did, this happened 2 days ago. And the next day, I did like 6 lawns, which is like was a little over like 3 hours of mowing, okay? And I just did my neighbor's lawn right now. I bagged his leaves, and I was out there for like at least about an hour and a half, okay? So, but check it out, okay? This is the outcome. Check it out, y'all. So this is the little, see it, y'all, right here? Okay, still, I didn't lose no air, y'all, okay? I filled this up at 20 PSI, recommended what it says on the tire. And I checked it with my, I took my air compressor with me yesterday to go mow lawns just in case I was losing air, but it didn't lose air, y'all. So check it out, y'all, see? Still in there, nice. I may put some rubber cement around there just to harden it a little bit more. But, hey, that's awesome, right? Hey, this is our experience, all right, with the flat tire on the zero turn on the sidewall, repairing it right here. Okay, hey, we still mowed. It didn't lose air, so hey, I'm gonna go and just keep riding it until it loses air, all right? So that's us, so that's our experience, okay? So if you get a flat tire on the sidewall or on top of the tire, hey, hope this video helped you out how to repair it. And if you get a flat on the sidewall, okay, like a little hole, you have to repair the sidewall. Well, I just told you that I spent over 4 hours of mowing, okay, with this tire. It didn't lose no air. So I hope this helped you out. If you're trying to find out how to repair a zero turn with a flat tire on the sidewall, or just in general how to repair a flat tire. Hey, please like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.